How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the Tennessee Diesel Addictions truck meet down in Chattanooga, Tennessee, Saturday, August 10th. I will be there. I do have an indoor spot with the truck, and if all goes set and plan, the new mod should be on the truck, and y'all can check that out when you're down there. But I'm going to go over some details in the convoy down there and stuff like that, so y'all will know what I'm doing and stuff like that. We'll start off with the actual event. Tennessee Diesel has hosted this event once last year, and it's freaking awesome. It's called the Cynic City Throwdown. All of their social media will be down in the description. You want to check them out. It's August 10th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. They got an indoor outdoor parking, show and shine, and trophies at Camp Jordan Arena, East Ridge, TN 323, Camp Jordan Parkway, Chattanooga, TN 37412, my bad. So it's an indoor outdoor event. They have a big expo center inside that you can park the trucks in, which I've got an indoor pass, so my truck will be inside. There's also outdoor parking. You walk around, there's going to be some vendors there. You walk around, look at the truck, stuff like that. I will be inside. I don't know how much I'm going to venture outside because might be a chance of rain, or it looks like, or something like that, but I will be inside by my truck or walking around. Of course, my GoPro, so you can spot me very easy. I have one of my Trucks and Water shirts on, so y'all can spot me very easy if you want to come talk to me and whatnot. Guys, I highly encourage you, come find me, drive me back to my truck or whatever it is you have to do. And that's what I'm there for, is to talk to you all, because it's one thing to see me through a camera and like comment questions and stuff. It's another thing to come talk to me. I'm just like a normal guy like everybody else. I get messages all the time. Hey, I saw you at so-and-so. Hey, I saw you here. Hey, I saw you there. Guys, don't be afraid to come up and talk to me. I'm not gonna bite you or anything like that, so come up. So that's what's going on with that, with the actual event. Like I said, Tennessee Diesel hosts an amazing event. I'm glad they're doing it for the second year in a row. They're also hosting this fall's Rod Run Truck Fest event. Details coming on that very soon, so stay tuned for that later on this month. So the convoy down. The convoy, again, information for the location will be down in the description in time. The convoy location is going to be the big pilot off of the Turkey Creek exit in West Knoxville. We're going to meet there. I want to roll out at 7:30. Yeah, it's a little early, but it's about an hour and a half or so drive, because if we're convoying, I don't want to attract attention of cops. Cops have told me multiple times what they look for trucks at least, is a big convoy, recklessness, stuff like that. If you show up to the convoy, so you physically show your truck up and you ride down with me, I will be doing rollers and I will be shouting you all out. So I'll tag your Instagram in like the rollers. So make sure, if you want rollers and stuff for free, this is your opportunity to get some. We'll be rolling out at 7:30, heading down all the way to the event. I might be going in the event early to help out with some things. I'm not 100% sure yet. We'll see on that aspect. But it's going to be a great time, guys. I cannot wait to go down. Can't wait to see you all. A lot of people from that area, Georgia and that area, come up to this event, so I get to see them too. But make sure you check out this event, guys. It's going to be it's a very fun event. I mean, it's one of my favorite events of the year to go to. And it's like a mixture of, like, it's got that big event vibe with a small, not like an overwhelming amount of people there, if that makes sense. I mean, it's still a big event, but it's not something like crazy where you feel like you didn't see everything. And everyone's very super friendly there. Everyone's low key, you know, stuff like that. So make sure you come and check that out, guys. Come out and check out my truck. Ask me questions. Whatever it is that you have a question about, I'll be more than happy to help you with. But anyways, that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. New to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks Farm family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all are having a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.